Hey guys, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the turn signals. These are on the outer lenses. 2014 Sorento, real simple to do. Grab yourself a Phillips screwdriver, number 2. We've got 2 Phillips screws that we need to remove, located here and here. Remove those screws, and then all we need to do to get this lens out is just go ahead, grab it, give it a firm pull, and we should be able to get that to come out. There's 2 steel dowels that are holding this thing in, located here and here. So you may put a trim tool in there or something, just watch the paint. Once you get that out, this lower orangish red socket, we're gonna turn counterclockwise, and this should pop out. There's our bulb. So to get this out, you're gonna push down and turn counterclockwise to remove it. And this bulb is going to be an 1156. It's an amber bulb, single filament. There are 2 little dowel pins that are on the side of the bottom of the bulb. It doesn't matter which direction it goes. Take your new bulb, push down and turn clockwise to lock it into place. Make sure that that's seated in there properly. You're then going to just pop this in here. You can see the socket has tabs on the side. Those do need to be orientated in the right position for this socket to drop into the lens like that. And then we just turn it clockwise. Should lock in position like so with these tabs in the vertical position. And then it's just as simple as lining up those 2 steel dowels, pushing it into place, and threading these screws in. It's just as simple as that. If you have any questions, throw them in the comment section below. Give the video a thumbs up if it's helped. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.